I almost lost a $12,000 London contract because I answered a Slack ping 4 hours late. That was the 2025 manual grind. Right now, in July 2026, I manage clients across 5 different time zones without opening Slack once. I've built an async-first engine that automates the handoffs so I can focus on actual work. The 2025 approach to remote work was about being always available, but as of July 2026, we know that model is officially obsolete. McKinsey research shows that knowledge workers spend 1/5 of their work week, literally 1 day each week, just searching for and gathering information. When you add 5 time zones to that, the search tax becomes a productivity killer. We are currently living through a $3 trillion productivity shift, where the sync tax is the first thing we cut, 2-3. Instead of DMs, we are moving toward what experts call natural product experiences, where the work flows through agentic systems without us being online. To ditch Slack, you need a central source of truth. I run mine through a combination of Notion and Loom AI. Part D. The 2026 ISG Customer Experience Guide highlights that clients now expect personalized, self-service loops rather than waiting for a human reply. News 2. Step 1. Set up a Notion database using the PARA method. Projects, areas, resources, archives. A simple 4-folder filing system for every client. Step 2. Record a 2-minute Loom instead of a meeting. Step 3. Let Loom AI auto-generate the action items and push them to Notion. 4. This ensures that when a client in Tokyo wakes up, they have a full project status update waiting for them without me sending a single email. Onboarding clients across oceans used to take weeks of back and forth. Now a multi-agent loop built in Make handles the entire thing. Step 1. Client fills out a type form. Step 2. A Perplexity agent researches their latest news and industry trends. Step 3. A Claude 5 agent drafts a hyper-personalized project roadmap based on that research. This uses Ethan Mollick's co-intelligence model, his term for treating AI as a teammate, not just a tool, where the AI acts as a senior strategist sitting at your desk while you sleep. Tense. If this workflow is saving you time, hit like. It helps more remote workers find this. Managing international clients means managing international costs. Every extra hour spent chasing invoices or reformatting status reports for a different client is overhead, and in a service business, overhead is what kills margin the fastest. To stay competitive, you must move down the experience curve. Data from the NBAR shows that generative AI assistants increase productivity by 14% on average. But for novice workers, it's a 34% jump, 11-12. By automating my project management office, or PMO, the team that keeps every client project on schedule, I can handle 3 times the clients with 0 additional headcount. The biggest drain on my time was answering the same 3 questions for every client. My fix is RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, an AI system that searches your own docs before answering. I've built a private portal where my clients can ask an AI agent anything about their specific project. What's the budget remaining? Or when is the next milestone? The agent searches our internal Notion docs and answers instantly with citations. This mirrors the shifts we're seeing in European wealth management, where clients are demanding digital-first, high-fidelity interactions. News 3, News 4. Given that same self-service expectation from the ISG Customer Experience Guide, News 2, by 2027, waiting for an update will likely feel as outdated as waiting on hold for a call center. The Bureau of Labor Statistics says the average employed person works 7.6 hours a day, 13. But as of July 2026, 50% of bachelor's degree holders are working from home, and the ones who thrive are the orchestrators, 14. That shift only works because so much of the busy work behind it can now be handed off. Generative AI can now automate work activities that absorb 60 to 70% of our time, 15. If you use your 7.6 hours for deep work while your agents handle the time zone spanning admin, you are effectively operating at a senior level that was impossible in 2025. You aren't just working. You are designing a system that produces awe-inspiring results for your clients, 16. You just saw the July 2026 blueprint for managing a global business without the Slack burnout. Turning a chaotic, always-on schedule into a self-running async engine is how you reclaim your life. Next week, I'm breaking down the Claude prompt stack that writes my legal docs in under 4 minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss that build. I'll be in your inbox on autopilot till then.